Hello guys and welcome back. So for today I will have a very awkward job to do, and as you can see I removed this floor and I had to push that fridge, and I will still need to take that cooker off so I can lay some floor. So what happened here a long time ago was a leak from the neighbor upstairs, and the insurance came and they had to redo all this apartment, this room and the bedroom next door. And they didn't do a very great job. As you can see, it's still wet. I believe the leak is still there because it's everything peeling off. And they destroyed the floor because the floor was brand new, and they scratch it all because they didn't protect nothing. They also tried to do some tiling, and you can see the tile here, how the cuts are done. And also if we go on this side, they just cut it like this, the tiles, and yeah, it's a very nice job. Yeah, on that side the same. Now there is not enough space around here just because some of these things they were in a storage, but then they had to bring it back. The bedroom was filled with stuff, and now they started to put everything in. And yeah, it's quite difficult to work because it's a lot of stuff that is around here. The kitchen wasn't here. That is a brand new kitchen which I installed because they ripped apart the old kitchen and it couldn't be installed anymore, so the owner had to go and buy another kitchen. And yeah, they also disconnected the electric, and now nothing is working. Like I said, the tiles needs to come off. A lot of imperfections like that. Yeah, they painted just here, they didn't paint it here. And yeah, it's quite bad. I don't usually like to speak about somebody else's job, but when you think you are safe because you are having and paying an insurance, this is what is going to happen. So yeah, be careful and don't let just everybody come in your house and start to do the work, especially if you are seeing that it's taking too long. Now this job here took more than 7-8 months. The family here, they had to go and stay in a hotel. So yeah, it's very hard for them. So right now I'm trying to do this floor. I've done other small bits and pieces around the house, but it's still not going to be ready because I cannot do too much due to the insurance policies. They will have to come check all that stuff. But for a bedroom and a kitchen, which is incomplete because they didn't install the kitchen, they took 8 months. So yeah, so right now I'm just going to install this floor, and probably I'm going to show you even the other room how it is. So yeah, let's carry on. Not too much space to move around here or to put the camera to film. Alright, so ready to put the cooker back in his place. Are you sure that one is going to bounce? It's not going to open up the floor?
What, this?
Yeah, and have all the floor open.
No, but once the floor, because before the front was sitting on the, you know, on the laminate, but the back wasn't sitting on the laminate. The back, and you say, look at that bottom there. The back was sitting there. That's the reason why. Whereas, if I put, let me put your finger on this. If I put this on there.
Go away, man. Go away with the
Yeah. See? It's level. Let's see. See, it's level.
No, it's not. You cannot level it like that.
It's a little bit to this side. It's a little bit.
Give me one board. Seeing that
A board.
you are there.
Do you want a money note?
Thank you.
That's the only thing that keeps me going in the morning. This is literally my breakfast, you know. Another one?
But you see, don't give them in pattern. It's going like that, this one.
I know.
You don't care.
No.
Okay.
It's floor. We step on it.
Alright, so finally everything is done now. I just need to put the washing machine back and voila. Doesn't look bad, but they still need to come back, so probably they will do more damage. Like this tiling over here. Look at that. This corner right here. Let's try to open the door. Look what's going on there. It's damaging the door and cannot be opened. Beautiful, beautiful. And voila, job done. Yeah. Messy. Alright guys, so now everything is looking a little bit better. I don't know how come when I come into a property everything is looking a little bit tidier. Well, not here, but yeah. So I had to put that blinds also in, put the blinds here. I put these shelves here, one shelf there, one shelf there, and the blind also. there. So I've done a few small bits and pieces also, even in the other room. But yeah, this is what they've done here. They replastered the ceiling, the insurance people, and then they've done a little bit of painting, but they missed that door right there. The frame didn't finish it, and small bits and pieces like that. But like I said before, I don't like to speak about somebody else's job. I've just done it, I know, but yeah, it's making me angry a little bit sometimes when I have to come back and repair after these people right here. And of course, all these tiles, they will need to be taken off at a certain point. At the moment, he's waiting to see if they are going to do it, if they are going to send somebody else. If not, probably I will have to come back and do that also. So alright guys, at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button and see you on the next one.